In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Microsoft To Do. Let's face it, staying on top of our tasks and maintaining productivity amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life can seem like an uphill battle. But fear not, because Microsoft To Do is here to help us get organized and stay focused on what matters the most. However, to make the most of this incredible tool, it's crucial to keep it refreshed and up to date. So if you're someone who has ever found themselves wondering how you can refresh Microsoft To Do to ensure it's working optimally, then you're in the right place. First things first, you'll want to head over to the official Microsoft To Do website. This can be done by simply typing "Welcome to To Do" into your browser, or by following the provided link that leads you directly to the site. Upon arriving at the site, you'll notice a prompt inviting you to sign in. Click on the sign in button. This step is quite straightforward, but incredibly important, as it ensures that you're accessing your personal tasks and not just browsing the platform anonymously. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be directed to the sign in page where you'll need to type in your email address. This should be the email associated with your Microsoft account, the one you use to sign up for Microsoft To Do. Ensuring you use the correct email is crucial because all your tasks are tied to this specific account. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click Next. Following this, you may need to enter your password or complete any two-factor authentication if you have that set up. Microsoft prioritizes user security, so these steps ensure that your task list remains private and secure. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself at the main interface of Microsoft To Do. Now here's where the primary action takes place. Navigate to the My Day section of the platform. This is typically where you'll find tasks you've earmarked to tackle during your day. It's a focused view that helps keep everything you need to accomplish at the forefront. Now for the main event. To refresh Microsoft To Do, simply look for the refresh button. You'll find it at the top left of your browser while you're in the My Day section. Clicking this button is like giving your to-do list a quick jolt of energy. It refreshes the interface, making sure the most current version of your tasks is displayed. This step might seem small, but it's quite potent. Whether there have been updates, new tasks added, or tasks completed on another device, clicking the refresh button ensures that you're always looking at the most up-to-date information. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to refreshing Microsoft To Do. Keeping your task list updated is not just about seeing what's next on your list, it's about ensuring you're working as efficiently as possible with all your tasks synced across your devices. A tip to keep in mind is that regularly refreshing your to-do list can play a significant part in your productivity system. It's a good practice to start your day by refreshing your My Day list, to review what needs to be done, and mentally prepare for the day ahead. Remember, productivity tools like Microsoft To Do are there to help us manage our time better, not add to our list of chores. So, make the refresh button your friend and keep your task list up to date with minimal effort. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to refresh Microsoft To Do. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and that you're now better equipped to keep your productivity on track. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to navigate your digital tools with ease.